Ooh, pretty cool item shop. Hey, Random's emote came back, kind of. Guys, comment down below your favorite 1% member. Wait, hold up. Does that have a music with it, or... Why? Why does Iceberg have to come back now and have 400 V-Bucks? It's 500. Hold up. Alright, that makes more sense. Look at my man. He make money all the time. Oh. Keely, what's wrong? The sun burn your eyes? Yeah. Peely shouldn't be skinny anymore. I'm joking. No, I did not mean to try and get 12A. You know, you want to play in tournaments, but... I'm not even 13 yet. Aww. We can play in the Trio Cup, I think. You can find a trio. I mean, for Dylan, that's 2FA. She don't play for it anymore, though, so that's a no. Alright, what's today's support creator code? Do I... Raz. No, I spelled it wrong. It's LG. Raz. If this doesn't work, it don't work. It don't work, guys. Or... we're just gonna say that that's random. No. Did I already do Nick's code? Yes, I did. Alright, guys, we're just gonna pretend that that's his code. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I can't wait. Just get into the video. It's crazy. It's funny. It's weird. I'm weird. Bye. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I haven't posted. I have no ideas. We're thinking about doing a Call of Duty Modern Warfare kill race. And also, if you're wondering how I got up here, let's just say that this man.
No. We just want to get straight to the video. No. We get straight to the video. Get your crazy boy back.
Alright, so this man, he stole Formula's whip. I probably shouldn't be telling them this because like Formula will hear about this maybe if they go tell him, but they go to his comment section and tell him. But he stole Formula's Lambo, and then he kind of sort of hit me with it. It left a scratch on it. My Star One scratched it. I ended up on this tree.
What? Oh, hey, yo, come here, man. Come here, bro. Come here. Where you go? Come here. Where'd you go? Hey, yo. Hey, bro, you scratched my car, bro.
Actually, but it did more damage to me. Wait, Alonso, if it's your car though, how come it says 1% Formula?
No, it don't. Back up, bro. Stay 6 feet away from me. Oh! Hey, come here, bro. Come here.
It's just 1%.
Come here. You're getting ran over. I don't care. You're getting ran over. You will get roadkill. What?
I just gotta, just kind of, sort of gotta, alright, I'm good.
What?
Hello there. Guys, if you guys haven't known by now, when you're in the passenger seat, you're doing the have a seat emote. I forgot what it's called. Alright guys, well I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some shields. And then I'll see you guys in the 1v1 star. You destroyed one of the Rams! Well, cones. Oh, okay. I'm getting kidnapped apparently. Like this video. Guys, like this video and you'll save me. I'm joking. You don't have to, but it would be nice if you did. Alright guys, we are back and we get it, bro. You got fast edits. Man, it's making me float. I really can't do that. I don't know why, but it just does this. It just does this, and I don't like that.
Yo, sir, you trying to get floated from a big spot, sir? Alright, sir.
But there's no healing in the 1v1, by the way. Oh. So, am I getting floated now? bro.
I just want to talk to you.
How do you do it? Yeah, guys, this is what guys, this is who I'm 1v1 in. This reminds me of someone. I want to remind you of anyone. Who does that? You're phasing. I'm talking about Reverse Moxie. Reverse Moxie. Reverse Moxie. Silk Unknown. I'm talking about him, remember? It's insane edits. I quit with my edits, bro. I'm never editing ever again. Yeah, I'm never editing ever again, guys. Yeah. Don't be surprised if I'm joking. I have to edit anyways if I want to win. Alright, let's go.
Okay. I edited the wrong way, but that's fine.
Alright, guys. Charge shotgun only 1v1.
You know what? He wins. I'm done. I'm done with this game. He already won. See, look at that. Look at that, guy. Look at that. Look at this piece of... Ah! I got fall damage.
Don't worry, there's no fall damage. I took it off.
I thought so. Brand new whip, got no speed. Set up. What? What the heck? Finally, I did. Really though? Really? That's that. See guys, see what I'm saying? That's that stuff. See. Every game be on some other type like stuff. You see what I'm saying? I'll tell you for that, but nobody listens. Oh, he cranking up here. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Oh.
I'm inspired. Ah!
Oh.
I choked.
Heck no, cousin.
Bro, no, you were actually. I thought you weren't right there, and I was charging my shotgun, and I thought you weren't right there. And then so I put on my build menu, and you were right, huh? All right, I got. That didn't. What? That didn't shoot. That's.
My career would have been ended. My whole, whatever this is, her bunny, what is this called? Oh, bunny tail. Her whole bunny tail or whatever was in a cooking. Her bun comes out. I forgot what it was. Her ponytail. Her ponytail would have been her whole.
Bro, my pyramids are pre-edited. No, I'm about to say no. I did not just fall because my dumb pyramids were pre-edited. And now, guys, you see, this is what happens when we 1v1. This is why we gotta play a 1v1 island. But charges are not in creative yet.
Wait, why you guys are so fast?
I didn't fall.
What? Oh wait, that's what you did. That's when you fall.
Well, a little bit, but not that far. It's because of my edit.
Please, okay, I'm gonna start overbuilding, bro. Bye, have a good time. For some reason, it won't let me edit. That's great. I can't even edit anything right now. I can't edit, which is so great.
Bro.
What? No, I'm done, Michael. You got it.
I fell. I had 2 launches though. Bro, guys, see this is why we can't 1v1. This is why we can't 1v1 in battle ladders because like I'm already at 290 and 19 max. Luckily, I have more time farming.
Alright, I'm at 300. I'm at 200.
Alright, you want to restart or do I launch or try and launch pad up?
Launch pad up so I can get it.
Alright.
Make it somewhere in them bills.
Or I could just take the chopper. Guys, so like we were coming over here, he drove a car, I drove a chopper. I jumped out the chopper and somehow I landed it on top of the gas station.
On top of the gas station, on top of the gas
No, I did the wrong edit. Flip me. I never liked myself anyways. Don't take it personally. Me, calm down, me. I didn't mean it like that.
Yes, he did.
He did? I never liked me anyways. Well, dang me. Never liked you either.
Don't hate me in the comments for that. That's right now.
Guys, Alonte's here just to have some fun. Alright, yeah, yeah, we have to reset it. There's no way I'm getting all the way up there with this one launch pad and all my mats.
I'm coming now.
Alright. Alonte, this is me trying to do my intro. Bro, hey guys, hey guys, me doing other YouTubers intros. Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Alex Austin underscore me to bring you guys a brand new Fortnite video for you guys today. Like, explain to me, how can I not do my own intro where I can do other YouTubers intros? Well, mainly formulas and like Cypher a little bit. Yo, what's up guys, it is your boy 1% Disc, bring you guys up a brand, I don't even know this intro that much.
Surprising.
If I'm me pretending to be Formula. If you don't like, subscribe. Next 5 seconds. This Renegade Raider just gave you bad luck. So if you know what that means. Oh wait, no, I did it wrong. I got to do this one. Not just on the video, I got you trapped. So if you don't like, subscribe. Next 5 seconds, you will have bad luck for the rest of your life. How do you react to that, Alonte?
Me. You know what? I want to go punch this dude.
Huh?
I'm gonna punch this dude now. I want to punch this dude. I'm just kidding. Or am I?
No wonder Epic banned you. I'm joking.
Hey.
No, no wonder Formula banned you from his customs.
True. I think that's why I couldn't get in that first time I could have been in.
With Jace yesterday?
Uh-huh. Well, now I see why. I'm banned from the custom.
It's funny how I can do it when I'm under, but I can't do it when I'm on top. Well, never mind. Wow. I still suck. He's gonna blow! Oh, that was less exciting as I thought.
I only stand on it.
Guys, we kind of sort of blew up another truck.
Hey, shake your head again, cuz. Shake your head again, cuz. See what happens. Do it again, I dare you. Gonna real die. You gonna actually die today. Crouch. Crouch. I said crouch. What's up, cuz? Shake your head again, cuz. Boy, it's target you. Shake your head again, cuz. Crouch, bruh. Crouch. I'm not trying to shoot you. Wait, Michael, do that again? Wait, jump, Michael, jump. It targets you.
Wait, like the old controller? Wait, jump. It tracks, guys. The controller player is coming back. Alright, let's just stop before we accidentally pop each other in the head. Alright, guys, we are back, and well, I'm on Builder Pro. I don't know how to play this. I promise. To prove it, I have the edit delay on. Also, to prove it again, bro, I keep. I'm used. Look at my edits, bro. Like look at me. Yeah, I'm on Builder Pro.
Custom settings.
No, I want to see if I can try and play on this again. Let's go. I just click my map button because that's my. Yeah, I already see myself losing this round.
Yeah, no, I see myself losing because I can't really hear a shot mostly. Finally. Finally. Oh. What?
Guys, when that two good players in your friends group become bots.
What our shotgun be like?
Haha.
Where'd you go, guys? Where'd you go?
Guys, don't tell him. Guys, don't tell him.
Guys, he can tell. Oh, there he is, guys. Thank you.
Guys, why'd you tell him? Now he knows.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys, for cheating for me. What?
Alante, you know I can do some. You know I do some cheeky stuff with that pump, bruh. Just because this is a different shotgun, I mean I'm gonna use. No, it didn't shoot.
Yeah, that's the thing I be hating, bro. What?
That's the thing. The charge shoots so slow. That's why everyone used to hate it. Hate is a strong word. I meant to say dislike because hate is a strong word.
Finally.
If I somehow win on this, well, I might actually win, but I can't edit. And I keep pushing my mad button. I'm gonna show them my custom settings. Maybe not in this video, but I'll show them my custom settings.
I'm a monster, bro. I'm a monster.
No, what's going on with me? Alante, I realized, bro, like, when I used to 1v1 you on Builder Pro, I used to suck. Now, I do a little bit better. Can I at least do the on retake? Bro, I'm botting out. Bro, I can't edit, I'm botting out.
Bro, I would've hit you there.
Oh, I messed that up.
Like, no. Tell me, like, you told me?
I did? Wait, I was like, I didn't even put down a cone.
What the? Oh, I think he told himself, I think.
Yeah, to block you. Bro, I'm so used to playing like a PC player now. Not really a PC player, but...
It didn't shoot.
It didn't shoot for me either. That didn't hit. There's no way.
Bro, this is already nervous. I don't got no more match after this one. 100. I said. I was 100 left. No, so scary. It's anybody's game.
More of your game. I can't even play properly because I don't know how to edit.
Please.
No. I fell.
No more match.
I fell. Just drop down. We'll finish the build file on the ground.
Alright.
Because like either way, I'm making my match. I'm farming while I wait for you to drop.
Alright, bet. I'm coming now. I need to farm back.
Alright, how about this? We won't finish it. You go ahead and farm, and yeah. Guys, fun fact: you can actually farm this. Like right here in the center, you could farm this right here for brick. I didn't even know this until I just tried it. Man, first time for everything, I guess. Alright, guys. So yeah, this is weird. We both healed because, well, we didn't heal like a lot. We just used minis. Bro, me cranking 90s like on Builder Pro just gives me some memories.
Yeah, we used to play anime games.
Season 2, bro. I missed season 2. Bro, I clicked my map before you pickaxe my build. I put out my map because I keep forgetting that that's not my build button.
What even launching
GG's.
Wait, this the last round?
Yeah, a retail round now. Alright, guys, the final 1v1. This is kind of like a tiebreak because we're both at 2. We're still at the same skill up. Let me end this mess, bruh. We could do the challenge in Battle Labs. So, guys, there's a challenge. At the week 8 challenge, you're supposed to drive from, like, a car from here, Retail Row, all the way to Pleasant Parks in under 4 minutes.
I made it, though. I made it. Oh, you whoa.
In a real game? Alright, guys, but this video cannot be completed without 1v1 and in between Rocks and Drift's house. I mean, it can't even be completed if we don't 1v1 at Retail Row. If we do it at Salty and Pleasant, we have to do it at Retail. Guys, play in Retail more. It's actually a really good spot. You know, most of us won't know that. Us. Well, we drop there sometimes. Well, let's just get right into this. Oh, I say you're representing Drift. I represent Rocks.
Yeah, I got you, Drift.
Because those are the characters we used to play. Yeah. Guys, comment down below who's your favorite 1% member. Me, I have to go with 2 people, but if I have to go with my absolute favorite, Formula's my favorite YouTuber, but Disc is my favorite 1% member.
Hey, I got this up in the hands, yo. Everybody put this in the front, in the top. Everybody put this in the whole chat in the comment box.
If you don't put Disc, then you're a keyboard player.
Yeah, you're something do.
In fact, honestly, what can I do to you, bruh? Alright, guys. So, guys, if you're a controller player, could put Disc. If you're a PC player, put one. But if you're a controller player, put Rise or Disc. If you're not, then put one of the other members. Alright, guys, but no, don't do that. Put your favorite 1% member. Me, personally, it's Disc. One, because he represents controller. He's also the mini Face Way. He's Face Way Junior. Not like I watch Sway that much, but after this alright, guys. So I forgot to mention that Alonte's playing on Combat Pro. Yep, just like the old days. He's playing on Combat Pro. I'm playing on Builder Pro like the old days. Alright, guys. Now we're gonna finish this. Well, now let's go back to custom settings. Or how about this? You play on Combat. Since I played on Builder Pro and you played on Custom, I play on Custom. You play on Combat.
Okay.
Alonte, holy. Alright, then after we both go to Combat. Not Combat. Actually, in fact, then after that, you play on Builder Pro. I play on Combat. Oh, great. You guys, the things we're doing for content here. Oh, great.
Holy.
Holy macaroni.
What?
Holy rocks and drift.
You doing too much. You
Bro, oh, Alonte, I heard that, like Rocks and Drift died because someone and you didn't want to do it.
Be quiet, Michael.
Alright, well, you know that there's a Skull Trooper and a Recon Expert coming out with, like, their little rivalry? Oh, the bot killed you? No, bot, chill, bro. Bot, chill. Oh, Sinead, stop, Sinead. So let's talk, bro. How's it been, bro? You haven't been on Fortnite lately. Bro, why you shooting me, bro?
And that was the last one I had to kill, too.
Oh, I said Sinead killed you, bro.
Yeah, look.
I wish you said hello.
He had you, Justin. He had you,
Alonte, guys, so this is a little joke. Since I'm in Division 6 now, even though Booga is nowhere near Division 6, he's way past that. But it's just a little joke I make. Alonte, Booga is after you, bro. Like, you wanna play some arenas, bro? I heard that we can invite I can just play on my second account, bro. I heard that Booga is in Division 6, bro, and he wants to come demolish you.
What?
He wants to prove his dominance.
Holy man, game is something to
What if Booga watching this? What if he starts laughing?
Move it. If you watching this, you is something doodle.
Alonte, why? Why would you say that? Yeah, guys. Alonte, what if Booga? I was gonna say this. What if Booga adds you, or adds both of us, and then he 1v2s us and just demolishes us, which obviously would happen.
It's me. My bad, Booga. I didn't mean it.
Then Alonte, then Booga will say, "I'm not doo-doo. You guys are some doo-doo."
You didn't say it right, bro. And you guys are some doodle.
Guys, do you guys want to play some Boomer Games Season 0?
No, but you didn't say it right, bro.
I didn't.
No, bro. It's supposed to be Booga Games Season 0.
Did you say Booga Games?
Yeah, did you not just say?
I said Boomer, like your game. That.
Oh, you didn't say it right.
I didn't.
Oh.
But how do you know it says Nino though?
Cause the O at the end, boy.
Oh.
I spelled it wrong.
No, because our Spanish teacher, your friend, you said.
Oh, no, Michael, what are you telling that, bro?
Was I not supposed to tell them that?
Of course not, boy.
Well, Booga told me to.
course you listen to him.
I mean, Alante, it was either listen to him or get up or box fight this man. This man will mongrel classic me.
Yeah.
No, he would booga classic me. So I watched this TikTok. Well, I didn't watch TikTok, but I watched a TikTok on YouTube, Fortnite TikTok. And then Booga is like he just went dumb. You don't understand, bro. If Alante saw this, he would have gone crazy.
No, I think I know what you're talking about. Like, he was just one little boogie.
I think it was an aura. I think it was an aura, aka what I'm wearing right now.
He was the best aura. He was wearing aura, and he was that lazy. My man did a whole pyramid.
He did a bunch of. He did edit cone. Like this man blocked him. That I don't even know. Like if you saw that TikTok.
No, I did see that TikTok, but he pulled up on that dude. That dude said, "Huh?"
I can't edit. I'm trash. I'm honestly trash. I can't edit release now.
No, that's just, whoa.
Alright, Alante, so you're on Builder or Combat Pro, right? Alright, put down your wall, brother.
Whoa, I'm on the shade. My map button. Oh, wait, what? Oh, my lord, what is this?
Holy.
Oh, I can't edit. Holy.
Alright, I got this.
I can't. Alright, ready?
Oh.
Bro, I can't build.
I'm doing a high ground retake. The game just started into a high ground retake.
Oh, I can't do anything.
Oh, I want to respawn. Oh, I got you. 13! Holy. Just let me kill you, bro. The pain will be quicker. Plus, then you get full HP. Ow. Guys, I'm gonna pickaxe. Bro, no way. Bro, no, just gonna pickaxe me. No, I didn't. The funny part was I didn't mean to do that.
Guys. This game is
Alante, I heard that Booga was to play against you.
Holy. Why you not be like somebody that we know? And I thought you know that person that I'm talking about. Why you?
Alante, I know Army wants to play against you.
What?
Alante, Tifa wants to play against you in a Modern Warfare.
Hey yo, bro. I deleted that game 2,000 years ago, bro.
Alante, I heard that Rox was coming after you.
The Brock Lesnar?
No, not. Oh, yeah, Brock Lesnar is coming after you.
Okay. Brock Lesnar is some dude.
What if he actually watching this? He kicks down every door until he hears your voice, and then he just gives you a bunch of F5s and suplexes.
Me. Why you at my house? What's up?
Alright, I just realized now I'm low. Well, I'll just stay at 70 HP since like you're on combat, bro.
Come on, bro.
Actually,
this is
go.
Bro, this is already. Wait, oh my, and my ramp was okay. I'm good. Wow, ramp. Wow, just ramp. Yay, ramp. Yay, his ramp just fell and died.
That's not a good thing.
It is for me.
No, I almost did.
That's some booty. You're winning.
That's your new
catchphrase.
Right,
Did I win this one right here? I'm gonna edit that. Bro, this is so hard. Wow, I keep on forgetting my. Wow, that's so lucky shot there, bro.
Nah, bro, I be getting those. I be getting all those. Are you not used to the edit delay anymore?
No, of course not. Boy, I'm playing on this boy. Yeah, he fell already. Finally, goodness gracious.
Oh yeah, well no, some bills. No,
I can't even edit. No.
No, guys, I just want to take a second to talk about how everyone complained about turbo building getting nerfed, but we all asked Epic for season 1 to go back to season 1. So didn't we kind of put that on ourselves? Let's just be real. I mean, the mechs, I don't know about that, though. But, like, the turbo building. Does anyone even remember that update? Besides us? Oh, my name.
Wow.
What, does anyone even remember that update? Besides us, obviously.
No, they don't.
Because it was that bad. Even Nick 30 complained about it. Alright, now I'm on Combat Pro. You're supposed to be on Builder Pro.
Unfair.
Monte, you know, Monte, like, Builder Pro's way easier.
Holy.
Stop playing games.
Holy.
How many games? You good?
This game is some doodle.
Is that your new catchphrase?
Why? Because your hairline is some doodle.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I got carried away. I got carried away. My bad. I got carried away.
I'm just gonna get myself copyrighted now.
Okay, cool. Not my fault.
Alonso, the thing that I'm not getting copyrighted though.
Well, now you are.
Because I have copyrighted emails off.
But no, I can sing a copyrighted music though.
Huh?
Think about that.
Huh?
I can sing a copyrighted music.
It doesn't make no sense. How am I gonna 90 on this? Hold up.
Exactly. How are you on 90 on that? Exactly. How? But you didn't think about me. This doesn't make no sense for me. I can't 90 a single thing on this. I can't do anything on this. This stuff is some doodle.
But I don't talk about Builder Pro like that. You know I don't like it anymore. But dude, I'm talking about my Builder Pro like that.
Man, shut up, Michael. Shut up.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna get copyrighted again.
Look, you can just show your fans your whip. Really?
I mean, hold on, let me just find it. This controller is supposed to be you.
I don't understand how that's supposed to be hurtful, but thank you. You called me a controller player, and I made him good. Thanks.
No, the controller's supposed to be you. I'm stomping and kicking on it.
I don't understand how.
And also, I stepped in Maxine's dog poop. I didn't really, but I gotta make this sound bad.
I don't understand. Yeah, don't never do that again, cause you're never that. Yikes, guys! If you want to roast him one day, if you want to find the perfect dude to roast one day, go to him. Yeah, it won't be that bad. Go to him. I don't. Nobody calls it roasting anymore. If you want to flame me, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. I think that's the only reason why he went quiet.
Totally not. I'm totally not this spray paint right now. Inside.
Whatever you say, buddy.
I'm gonna come check the spray paint out.
No, I'm good.
Hey, it's Aquaman.
I came here to 1v1, not waste my time.
I mean, you're over there farming up. Alonte, Midas turned your 1v1 area, bro. It's not safe anymore. My hat's turned gold, and the top of my pickaxe turned gold. Well, yellow, but...
Don't touch me.
And my chains turned gold. And whatever that thing's supposed to... I think that's a wristband. I don't know. Now that turned gold, too.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, because...
Bro.
But if you want comment, don't touch me.
You're still in here?
No, bro. I live.
Alright, I'm gonna go pay Rox a visit. Oh, never mind. Her house has been destroyed. I'm gonna be a spark. What happened to Rox and Drift?
Are you ready? Because right now you talking.
I'm waiting for you. Also, you have to stand. You have to stand on the Midas side.
Never. Nah, Michael. Well, Michael, aren't you the gold one here? So yeah. You're the gold one.
Hey, Midas is cool. Anyways, he had the most overpowered gun in the game last season.
You called this dude some dude. You called him dude.
That was you, bro. I like Midas, kind of.
Did you? Ronnie can't do nothing. I'm feeling, bro. I can't do nothing.
I can't even 90. I'm just building up straight.
No, I don't care. I'm building like a bot. I'm gonna go straight to the PR.
I want to say after. No. After after this, we gotta play with no turbo build.
Oh Lord, no, holy.
No. What's up? Why did you put my ramp there? Oh well.
Yo, this is so hard.
I'm kind of up to you. I'm joking. That's cheat. Oh, right. Bro, this doesn't make no sense.
I don't know what to do.
How do you play on this? Like, you know, hi, how are you? I'm not even supposed to be up here, so that's why I went back down. Oh.
Yeah, you better not come back up here. What's up? Don't come back.
When Epic, this is how we all used to play in season 1.
I'm a rough rider. Whoa, Marshall! Like, you're not building on the combat, bro. You're not building on combat.
Yes, I am. I acted like that button. I can't do anything.
I can't do this. Yeah, I don't care, bro. I don't care. I ain't gonna build no more. I'm done. I'm done with building. No, okay, everybody. I guess I have to build now. No! No!
No, I clicked on my map button. I gotta stop playing. Guys, if we can get 3 likes, I will play on Combat Pro in a real game.
Come on, let me get hype. Get hype. Get hype. No! Get hype. I forgot I can't, fast edit no more. Well, this might make me not use iPad. Now I gotta just kill my.
No, you don't. No, you can be cool.
No, we can't because your mother trying to kill me. No, come here, boy. Come here, boy. I dare you to edit. I dare you. Alright, chill with that.
Bro, I keep clicking my map button.
I know. What if I did more than one?
I did that a million times. Not 3 loads.
I'm calling you down. I don't care. Where'd he go? No!
Boy, that's no way that missed.
No, come on.
Now, Monte, we can play on custom settings, but not turbo build.
Nah. Nah, brother.
Also, no editing. I'm joking.
What?
I want no building. I want to no playing Fortnite. I'm joking. I'm joking. I hope.
I'm gonna thought somebody. What is this game?
This game is getting boring. That's what it is.
Nah, you were getting boring, cuz.
I'm not getting bored. I'm just saying, like, how I felt when I was playing Modern Warfare.
Modern Warfare? I'm telling you, it'd be funny.
Bro, guys, like, we have so much fun on Warfare. But we obviously gotta stick to Fortnite, the best game in the world, totally.
We can't just leave Fortnite like that.
We're not gonna be like the other streamers and YouTubers.
Hey, like, since we told you about Modern Warfare, don't download Modern Warfare. Don't.
Wait, what?
Don't download Modern Warfare, people. Don't. So, like, I think
no, download Modern Warfare, guys. Yes, I am. Well, if you want to, if you're getting bored of Fortnite, then download it. Just wait till like the event comes out. If there's an event, we always have to remember that.
Modern Warfare doesn't do events, Michael.
Honestly, people who played Call of Duty in the past, they would know to play Modern Warfare, kind of.
They would know.
Well, if they play Battle Royale games and Call of Duty, then they would know.
I used to play Call of Duty back then, so I quit after.
You played Call of Duty?
Yes, I was a goat at Call of Duty back then. Black Ops, though, I was a goat.
Black Ops 3? Or did that even come out yet? I don't think that came out yet.
I used to play Ops. I was a goat back in Ops, so.
Fluffy plays I think he plays Ops too.
Like
when he stopped playing Fortnite, that's what he was playing.
It's an old game though, but hey, people still go through it. I don't care.
Bro, I don't want Fortnite to die, but it might happen.
It might have to, man. We've been seeing this game for a while, but you know if it does.
I mean, Epic, if you're trying to bring out Chapter 1, I'm... Okay, is that a no? Well, just bring back, then bring Chapter 3. I can't stand looking at this map anymore. I'm joking, map. I'm joking.
He's not. He's not. He hates you. He hates you, Matt.
I don't, but... I mean, I like Lazy Lakes and Frenzy Farms.
Do you though?
And I like Orchard. I 100% like Orchard.
Do you though?
Ow. And yes, I do.
Okay.
Chill with that Ultimus Prime.
Come here, bro. Come here.
Alonso got to rebuild off.
What?
yes, sir. We're doing that.
No, we're not.
Yes, and well, Alonso, here's the thing: that you get to play on custom settings.
I don't care.
It's for entertainment, bro. They get to see our bodified selves. We wish to.
Oh,
Bro, Alonso, Turbo Bill sucked anyways. I'm not just saying that.
What'd you say, cuz?
Go! That's what I said. Oh, I forgot. No, Turbo Bill's not on. But let me fix my pyramid real quick. My pyramid's pre-edited.
I can't cricket 90 because of you.
Hey, that's fun. Who needs 90 when you can play old Fortnite again?
Look at this ninja cheating already on me.
Cheating? What do you mean?
What do you mean? You are a cheater? I ain't gonna lie to that. You are
I
a
don't
cheater.
cheat, but I don't know what you're talking about.
You a lie.
I don't cheat. Cheating. Cheating.
He's cheating off.
How's that? Cheating.
Look at that. He won't even let me get up there. So I'm not even up there yet. He just started shooting me. Look at him. That's why you live.
No, I have to reload.
Yay.
Also, guys, I could have upgraded both of us to a gold one, but I wanted us to play with Hey, who said you could do that?
Well, I did.
Then, guys, oh my gosh, I'm so cracked, guys. Look at me.
It's unfair. He's lucky. I'm not playing on combat. I mean, what you call it, builder, bro. Not builder. He's lucky I'm not playing on what you call it, turbo. So, right? He's lucky.
Bro, what do you mean? What you trying to say? Huh.
You would have been dead by now.
Nah.
Yeah, sir. You would have.
But what if you went earlier though?
Where'd he go? Here.
Wait, what if you went earlier in creative and I came back on you as one shot?
I was lucky. I didn't know where you were.
That was not luck, but I legit had to sweat so hard. Jeez.
No, I'm going back to Dota Pro. Nope.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm not even doing this anymore. Guys, look at me, guys. I'm cracked. Oh my gosh. I'm the best Season 1 player in the world.
You never even started in Builder. You never even started then, but okay.
Wait, what?
You never started then, but okay.
But how come I have the Renegade Raider? Oh, wait, I don't have the Renegade Raider. How come I have the Recon Expert?
Well, you did it because it came back to the proof one.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
No.
Everybody in the chat tell him it came back out because he's mad.
It did? Well, hey, even if it did come back out.
No. It's not OG like you, boy. It's not OG, kid. It's not OG. Oh, yeah, you're a 60-year-old speaker, kid. You're a 60-year-old speaker. That's all I gotta say.
No, I'm not.
You're a 60-year-old speaker, bro. You're a 60-year-old speaker.
Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys have an amazing day. I'll see you guys if you guys order me pizza. If you don't order me pizza, I'm never recording. I'm joking. Don't take it seriously. I was joking.
No, he's not.
Wait, are you trying to make me stop recording, bruh? So then let me just get myself copyrighted real quick.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, the Renegade. Like all my friends have it, and the thing is that I have 400 V-Bucks when it came out.
Dang,
Guys, I don't buy V-Bucks anymore. Not yet though. Wait, is Summer Legends still in the shop? Okay, my life. Yeah, I quit. I quit.
What is on? No,
I'm going to play Modern Warfare, guys. Yeah, I'm loading the Modern Warfare right now.
Yeah, me too. I'm out, dude.
But I thought you said you didn't want to play it. That said that you didn't feel like it. That said it was a trash. I'm joking to say it was trash, but
What? Okay, never
I was
mind.
joking. Guys, but let me just load some Modern Warfare real quick. And alright, guys, I'm loading the Modern Warfare Season 5. I'm joking.
No, he's not.
So I was joking. This is copyrighted. And I probably already got copyrighted for this emote. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Hold up, give me a high five. I'm just gonna pretend you guys give me a high five. Alright, in peace.
Like, so this basically like this once to like back in. It was like I couldn't like I was just used to playing Mortal Kombat, and like, I couldn't say fatality, so I always had fatality.
Oh.
That's why I was.
Right. Bro, so I was watching T-Fun Modern Warfare today. This man dropped 40 kills. Like, I can't even find anyone in the game. And when I do, I either get a lucky kill on them, or sometimes skillful kill. I am getting a little bit better. Either I kill them, or I die to them. Like, I normally get 1 or 2 kills a game.
Yeah.
Bro, so like this man dropped a 40 bomb. I cannot even find anyone.
How can you have a whole 40 bomb?
This man, like, all he was doing was running through people. He just hopped into a car, just start driving, hops out, and just, this man is so smart, too. He uses the car as protection. We do that, but, like, not like how he was, though.
Oh, why do you know?
Bro, I'm so trash, bro.
I'll drive back, right?
Alright. This is me trying to do my intro. Bro, hey guys, hey guys, me doing other YouTubers intros. Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Alex Austin _ me to bring you guys a brand new Fortnite video for you guys today. Like, explain to me, how can I not do my own intro where I can do other YouTubers intros? Well, mainly formulas and like Cypher a little bit. Yo, what's up guys, it is your boy 1% Disc, bring you guys up I don't even know this intro that much.
Surprising.